Click each tab to know more. Reduce. We should reduce the use of plastic whenever it is possible. For example, instead of using plastic bags, we can use cloth or jute bags for shopping. Reuse. We should reuse some plastic containers whenever it is possible. For example, empty bottles and jars can be used for keeping other items in the home and kitchen. Recycle. We should collect plastics which can be recycled. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. So items made of thermoplastic should be sent to the recycling industry. For example, toys, buckets, mugs, etc. are made from thermoplastic. Recover. The principle of recovery plays a major role in this solid waste management. The recollected or recovered solid be converted into resources such as electricity, heat, compost and fuel through thermal and biological means. Note: Supreme Court gave a judgment on ways and means of solid waste management and gave an order to implement this in all the cities of India by 2003. Now, we can discuss about the recycling codes. In 1988, the American Society of Plastics Industry developed a standard marking code to help consumers identify and sort the main types of plastic. There are 60,000 types of plastics available in the world as on today, but only 6 types of plastics that we use regularly. These plastics are sorted according to their resin identification code. These codes are in a triangle-shaped symbol with a number in its center. The symbol is known as the universal recycling symbol, indicating generic recyclable materials. To identify the plastic, look at the recycling icon. The chasing arrows, inside the arrows there will be a number that indicates the type of resin and also identifies the polymer. There are 6 different types of plastic resins that are commonly used to package household products. The identification codes are shown on the screen, and these codes can be found on the bottom of most plastic packaging. Here, the category of other includes any resin not specifically numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or combinations of one or more of these resins. PET code 1 and HDPE code 2 are commonly recycled, whereas PVC code 3, which is used for pipes, is currently not recycled. Likewise, LDPE code 4, which is used for carrier bags, is commonly not recycled. The PP code 5, which is used for making DVD cases, food containers, can be recycled. Similarly, the PS code 6, used for making coffee cups, egg boxes, packing peanuts and take-out food packing, can be recycled. Recycling can be used to obtain materials from which the original products were made. Here, let us study the role of codes in recycling process. We know that each plastic is manufactured with different processes. During recycling process, if the same codes are not sorted out separately, the whole lot meant for recycling will spoil the process. That is why it is necessary to recycle the same codes in one lot. For example, if we add a simple PET bottle in the lot of other plastics during the recycling process, the entire lot will be spoiled. To understand this, we need to study the uncoated plastics. Now, we can discuss what are uncoated plastics. Plastic tarps, pipes, toys, computer keyboards, and a multitude of other products simply do not fit into the coding system that identifies plastics used in consumer containers for recycling. There are actually thousands of different varieties of plastic resins or mixtures of resins. These are developed to suit the needs of particular products. But there is a limited recycling of some of these specific plastic products in truckload quantities from industrial sources. Recycling of various types of plastics is not commercially viable because their production when compared to coated plastics is less. Code 1 and Code 2 plastics occupy a major share in recycled plastics.
Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click Answer for your reference.
Follow-up work. Design a poster on the topic Say No to Plastic to discourage people from using plastic bags. Find out the rayon manufactured in our state by searching in internet. Find out government and non-government organizations in your area which are carrying out awareness programs on the indiscriminate use of plastic, which is a serious threat to biodiversity. You have successfully completed the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics.